Hi, my name is Stan Shapiro, and I'm an adjunct professor teaching in a social work department starting in September 2018. I have been a practicing clinical social worker for over 30 years. I've worked in schools, hospitals, and community settings. I worked at the largest nonprofit behavioral health agency in Connecticut for the last 23 years, retiring from my position as senior vice president in 2017. In that role, I was responsible for oversight of all service operations and for a variety of executive team functions. These included programs for people with mental health, substance use, and housing problems. Since that time, I've been working as a consultant and a trainer for behavioral health organizations. I'm also a facilitator in a project promoting community conversations. If you'd like, feel free to check out my website at stanshapiro.com. But there is more to life than work. I am a person of many hobbies and interests as well, and here are some of them. Growing things, visiting beautiful places, and that is not a real sheep, by the way. Fooling around with boats, biking. Also, I'm married for 38 years, have two grown children, and I live in Northampton, Massachusetts. I look forward to spending this time with you.